It's Thai Red Prawn Curry tonight. Believe me, it's quick and easy. My guests enjoyed it. And as a dessert, it's ube or papaya roll. Join me here in my small kitchen for some learning and fun. Hello, Romulo here, and welcome to my kitchen. It's Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It is Thai cuisine tonight, and I'll be serving it with rice, which is now cooking. And there's a surprise to say. Matt and Grace and Alex are coming, and I promised to prepare something for them. It's cold at the garden, so we decided to do it here. So, promise, this will be quick because I contracted just 15 minutes with our cameraman. And all of our ingredients are from the freezer, from our harvest, but frozen. Look. Except for this, not from the frozen shrimps or frozen prawn, frozen beans, and here, also frozen. Frozen chili, frozen, what's this? Frozen barano, nalipatak sa napom. This is citron grass. This is lemongrass. And this are Kafir leaves, also from the freezer. And this is palm sugar. Palm sugar. I bought this from the grocery store. Also this coconut milk and Thai red curry. We'll start. This is easy, as I promised. Just quick. Okay. I'll be using half of this. I'll pour it now. I'll just boil this until it reduces to coconut oil. Okay? And a hat. And if I don't get enough coconut oil, I'll add, I'm sure I won't get enough, I'll add cooking oil. Yeah. Let's wait until this reduces to coconut oil. Before that happens, I think it's time for some advertisements. Don't skip the ad. Look, this is no longer immaculate pie, so if you are offended by this quality of my pan, please don't skip the ads. Thank you for staying. As you've seen, it has reduced to almost coconut oil. We can add the red curry paste now, which I bought at the grocery store. If you're watching from the Philippines, this is available in most many grocery stores. Even in the rural areas. I'll be adding al gusto. I'll use this much, around 3 tablespoons. Yeah. We can add more if desired. It's always al gusto. Adjust it to your taste. And stir. Look at that. Can you smell it, cameraman?
Not yet.
Yeah. I'll be adding later water. Tip: if you're using frozen vegetables or anything frozen vegetables, reduce the amount of water because there are ice crystals in the vegetables, and once molten, the crystals, of course, add to the water volume. Look, beautiful. I can add water now. I just limit it to, let's say, half cup. And I can add the rest of the this ingredients. These are Kafir leaves. Kafir leaves. If you're watching from my barrio in the Philippines, I have a Kafir lime in there. So if you need this, just come to our home and ask for Kafir lime leaves. Really, unlimited. We just have to smash this and add it there. Yeah. The sugar, shall we add it now? Yes, why not? Okay. It begins to boil now, and I can add the vegetables first. By the way, I didn't mention, those are diced potato. It's just an extender. Yeah, extender. I don't have much prawns, so I'm extending it with potato. Or it even makes the dish healthier. And the vegetables from my harvest. If you're curious and if you want to know how to freeze vegetables, I have a tutorial here. The other side of the screen. It's a master class on preserving vegetables. Master class, I said. I'm adding patties as well. What's Thai cooking without fish sauce? Okay. Lovely. We'll just boil this until it cooks. I think it's time for another advertisement. Thank you for staying until now. Come back, please. Welcome back. I just tasted the sauce and it's now infused with the aroma and flavor of the spices. No, of the herbs, I should say. And the beans is about to cook, almost cooked even. It's time to add the shrimps or the prawns. We don't want to overcook the prawns. They will get tough. I think it deserves more water. Let me see. More water won't harm, I think. I'll just cover it. You know, this is really thick compared to the traditional Thai curry. They serve their curry there very watery. I just prefer it thick. I think this is cooked. It's been boiling for more than 3 minutes now. I'm sure this is cooked or about to cook. Let's add some garnishing. Not garnishing, but do you remember this? This coconut milk that I set aside? I'm adding it now to make it creamy.
I mean, even creamy.
And we can also slice it. But I want to be able to remove them. We're done. I'm curious how would my Madam Grace and Alex react to this. It's something new to them. I haven't cooked it yet at the garden. It's not the most elegant way of serving, but we were friends. We enjoyed that freedom. Ramanamon manang, ore milat-milat. Okay.
I have to prove this. Yummy! Channel 1! What is your secret?
No more Channel 1, it's Romulo's Kitchen and Garden.
Romulo Kitchen and Garden. What is your secret?
It was really delicious. We'll do this again next weekend. Everyone was satisfied.